As I think many of you may know, I am definitely a cookie monster. I love to bake cookies, research all different types of cookies, and of course, I love to eat cookies. When I travel out of the country, I really like to step into a local grocery store to look at all the different cookies on the shelves. I also love checking out local coffees when I travel, and of course, cookies and coffee go hand in hand. From deep, rich espressos to smooth and creamy lattes, the perfect cookie is out there to elevate your coffee experience. Hi there, my name is Dawn from the blog parkinsonsandus.com, a lifestyle blog supporting the health of all caregivers. Welcome to my channel. I've been working on a vegan Italian biscotti cookie recipe, and I think I've finally made it just right. The base of it comes from an old family recipe, but of course I had to veganize it, and I pray some family members don't get too upset with me for doing so. Carefully deciding on the perfect flavor and texture of a cookie to complement coffee is important, and it takes a bit of forethought before choosing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to best pair your cookies and coffee, and I will provide you with examples of great coffee cookie combos. And if you want the recipe for this vegan Italian biscotti, I will put a link for the full printed recipe in the description box below. When it comes to finding the best cookies for coffee, cookie flavor is important. The flavor of the cookie can either enhance or compete with the flavor of the coffee. So it's important to be mindful when choosing what flavor of cookie is best. As an example, a deep, rich chocolate chip cookie is bold and sweet, and it can complement a rich cup of dark roasted coffee. Whereas a citrus type cookie like a lemon cookie is light and refreshing and the perfect cookie to complement a bright acidic coffee. This creates a nice balance of flavors. Playing around with cookie texture in combination with your cup of coffee also enhances the overall experience and enjoyment of the cookie-coffee combo. A soft and chewy cookie is quite the contrast in texture to a steaming cup of hot coffee. Combining these different textures together creates a nice balance your taste buds will enjoy. Choosing a hard, crunchy, delicious cookie in contrast to a smooth, bold cup of coffee is also tasty, sharpening your senses, keeping them alert and satisfied. There are different categories of cookies you might want to think about. For example, classic cookies are cookies like chocolate chip cookies, oatmeal raisin cookies, or peanut butter cookies. Whereas specialty cookies are like your citrus lemony cookies, a nut-based cookie, or shortbread cookies. And then you have your sweet cookies like sugar cookies or caramel or butterscotch cookies. And also your bold, rich cookies like dark chocolate chunk cookies or espresso cookies. And then finally, you have your textured cookies like the soft, chewy cookies versus the crunchy cookies. Soft cookies like snickerdoodle or macaroon, and crunchy cookies like the pizzellas or these Italian vegan biscotti cookies that I'm making here. When you're trying to decide what kind of cookie to pair with your coffee, think about the intensity of your coffee. Aim to either match or contrast the intensity of the coffee with the cookies you are choosing. For example, a light roast coffee has a bright and delicate flavor profile, so look for cookies that won't overpower these subtle notes. Cookies like vanilla cookies or sugar cookies or citrus zest cookies are perfect with a light roast coffee. A medium roast coffee strikes the perfect balance between flavor, complexity, and smoothness. Cookies with a slightly bolder flavor will be perfect with this cup of coffee. For example, chocolate chip cookies, oatmeal raisin cookies, peanut butter cookies, or spiced cookies are really great with a medium roasted coffee. And when it comes to a dark roast coffee, which has a full-bodied profile with robust flavors and hints of bitterness, to match the intensity of this rich, bold flavor, look for cookies that are equally as bold in flavor. Perfect cookies to pair with dark roasted coffee are cookies like dark chocolate chunk cookies, espresso cookies, chewy coffee cookies, and these Italian vegan biscotti cookies. Really, the choices are endless when it comes to choosing the best cookies for coffee. Mainly just consider the intensity of the coffee and match it with the flavor of the cookie. Finding the best cookies for coffee will truly elevate your coffee experience and add an extra little lift to your daily coffee routine. Whether you're choosing a soft and chewy cookie or a crispy, crunchy cookie, matching the texture of the cookie with the mouthfeel of your coffee will only add to the ultimate coffee experience. I encourage you to experiment with different combinations and enjoy the process. Allow yourself to indulge in the perfect harmony of flavors and textures that come with a well-paired cookie and coffee duo. Treat yourself to the pleasurable art of cookie and coffee pairing and turn your coffee break into a truly exceptional experience. And I would love to hear what kind of cookies you like. What are your favorite to pair with your cup of coffee? So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to pair the perfect cookies with coffee combo. And if you did like this video, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button or give it a thumbs up and comment below. And if you want to be part of our caregiver community, I would love that. I will put a link down in the description box. It's a wonderful, supportive community where I provide nourishing recipes, joyful living tips, and support for caregivers everywhere. So until next time, bye for now.